Alright, so welcome to your statistics course for my math lab. I just kind of wanted to walk through what you could expect to see in here. For a while, when you first come in, you'll see your Start Here tab, and that's important that you read through everything on this page. It includes information about your proctored exams as well as course expectations. You'll be able to sign up for your proctored exams here if you want to, or you can do that through Blackboard. Eventually, after the first 2 weeks, I switch it to where you can always click on these tabs, but where you get the course home, and this is my home. So if we want to see yours, when you come in, you'll have points here where it will show you that you have an assignment coming up, and it will also show your grade in the course. So remember that that's the class, that's the grade that you want to go by. Those are up to date, and that's the one that I will use to answer any questions regarding your grades. It's very important that you keep up on the announcements. So if you ever feel like you might have missed one, you have the tab over here on the left. The chapter videos are videos that I've made that you're more than welcome to watch for your course. They're not very long. I try to keep them kind of short so that you don't get too bored, right? But these are videos that I've made, whereas the tools for homework videos are ones that I found online that can be useful. And some of them are from me, and some of them aren't, but they all incorporate Excel, or some, if you're going to use StatCrunch, into your homework. So when you're looking for the Excel things that we have, under document sharing is where you'll find these templates, and you can use these throughout the class. Download them to your computer, and that's perfectly fine. Your discussion forums are also located here in my math lab. They are required, so you want to make sure that you follow the guidelines and make your initial post by Wednesday, and follow up to at least 2 other classmates on a separate day. So I need 3 posts from you, written on 2 separate days that start no later than Wednesday. When you click on them, it will give you the due date, but those due dates are also posted in your course schedule. And then all of your assignments are here. You can, on the homework, you can start an assignment and come back to it. On the exams, once you start, you must complete. So you can come up here to all assignments and just pick, maybe you just want to look at the homework, or just the quizzes and tests. They are blocked, so after the due date, you will incur late fees. I will not open up late exams. I do drop the lowest one, so keep that in mind if you have an emergency. But you will have 2 proctored exams, and you want to make sure that you read that proctored exam folder in Blackboard. Lab assignments, we have 3 of those. So I've included a video on how to work through the labs, and then there's also the Word document that's here. They have to be emailed to me at my madisoncollege.edu email from your school email accounts. You can use Excel, you can use a graphing calculator, but you do have to give detailed instructions on what you put into Excel or into your calculator to get the answers. So when you fill out one of these documents, answers only will not be accepted. The study plan is extra problems. It does not impact your grade. So you can go to a chapter and look through any of these, and it will give you practice problems if you need extra help. If you choose to use StatCrunch, it is here. I have a few videos. Your textbook uses it. It's actually pretty easy. So if you ever want to go through anything with StatCrunch, just reach out. And then here's your e-text, and then also the chapter contents.